Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have a double unboxing for you. I have a Boxycharm base box and a Boxycharm premium to go over with you. If you like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start with my base box. This box costs $27.99 a month, and you get 5 full-size items inside, one of which you get to choose every month and customize. Let's go ahead and see what the theme of the month is. It is Start Your Runway. We get a little card with a list of products on the back with price points as well. Now the first thing I'm pulling out is actually something I really wanted. This is the Ace Beauté Violet Sage palette. This is valued at $32 for this palette. And this is what it looks like here. I just love Ace Beauté's makeup. I think they are a really good quality brand for like eyeshadow and stuff. So I was really excited to get another Ace Beauté palette. But this is the color story here. And I'm just going to get a couple quick swatches for you. The formulas feel silky and amazing as always. I'm definitely not going to try to pronounce the names of any of these because they are a little bit different. Just absolutely stunning. Okay, moving on to the next product. We have, this is from So Me Institute, and it's Transport. I'm going to have to do some reading on this one because I'm not really sure what this is. It says this is valued at $65 for this. And it says it gently exfoliates to treat your skin, taking it to a whole new level. Transport, powered by MDT5, features saturated soft cotton pads designed to help improve skin tone, texture, and clarity. So that's cool. Let's see what it looks like in here. Okay, so it's just like a little container, and it has like pre-soaked pads in it that you can exfoliate your face with. There's that. Next item is from Avant, which is a really expensive skincare brand. I think this was my choice item this time around, but this is valued at $134 for this. And this is an anti-aging moisturizer used to help the face and target eye areas, formulated with hyaluronic acid that helps to deeply nourish your skin. So excited to get this. It is on the smaller side, but I do think it's cool. It's formulated that you can use it on your eyes and your face because most of the time you have to use different moisturizers for that. Next item is, looks like it's from Pink Lips, and it's a tinted lip balm. This is valued at $12 for this lip balm. And then we have, lastly, in this box, the Ciate London Dewy Highlight. This is valued at $24. This is definitely going to be going in a giveaway just because I'm not a huge fan of liquid highlighters. So I'm definitely going to be putting this in a giveaway and somebody else can enjoy that. So that's everything I got in my base box. I'm going to put my total box value up in the corner here. And then moving on to the premium box. Okay, this next box is the premium box from Boxycharm. This costs $39.99 a month. Has 6 full-size items in it, 2 in which you get to choose and customize. So let's go ahead and see what I got this month. I am really excited to see. Okay, and this is the card again with the list of products on there. And the first thing I'm seeing in here is a choice item. This is Patrick Tay lip gloss, and I just heard like really good things about this lip gloss. I was told I had to try it, but Patrick Tay is pretty expensive, so let's see how much. This is a $22 lip gloss, so I actually don't have any product on my lips, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on because I've been dying to try this out. I heard it was like liquid diamonds, so pretty. Oh yeah, that's a nice lip gloss. Okay, I'm really happy with that. It has the doe foot applicator, which I like. And let's see what else I got in here. Next thing, I think this was my other choice item. This is a one size micro defining pencil, which I was excited to get and try. And I really want to see what it looks like. So let's get it out of the packaging here. It's really slim. I like the packaging on it so far. Okay, it just has like the standard spoolie on one side, and then I'm not a huge fan of the shape. It's the circular shape. I find that I like more like the eyebrow pencils that have like an angle to them. I found those to be more accurate and to work better for me, but I'll definitely give this one a try and let everyone know what I think about it. But this is valued at $19 for this pencil. Okay, my next item in here is from NARS. I love NARS, and it's a Shanghai Express matte lipstick. So let's see. I always like their lipsticks. Every one that I've tried, I've really liked. Okay, that's kind of sad. It kind of looks like, I don't know if you could tell on camera. Here, let me see. Okay, it's kind of smashed at the top. You see that there? And in some inside of the lid there. Like, it's just not as pretty as I was hoping it to be when I opened it up, but I don't think anything's wrong with it. So I'm just going to swatch it here. It's like a pinkish red color, really pretty. And the packaging on there, yes, love it. $26 for this lipstick. Okay, and this I actually did not get last time around. Last couple times around, they've been floating this palette around for quite some time, actually. It's the iconic London palette, and it's Dusk to Dance eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is valued at $62 for this eyeshadow palette, so pretty substantial amount. But this is actually a really pretty palette. I think it's much more impressive in person than pictures that I've seen online. But I really think this shade down here looks really neat. It's like a multi-shade. Let's see what it looks like swatched, because I am curious. Okay. I mean, so far so good. So excited to try out this palette. We'll let everyone know what I think about it. And we have 2 more items left inside the box this month. And it looks like I got something from Elemis, which I'm okay with because I think Elemis is a really good skincare company. This is Apple Apricot Cactus Brightening Balance Exfoliates for all skin types. This is actually a toner. So let's see what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, that's cute. I like it. This is valued at $36 for this toner. And last thing in the box is a liquid eyeliner, which honestly I can never have too many of because I do wings like all the time. But this is Lower East Side Felt Tip Liner. Never heard of this company before, but this is valued at $20 for this. So I'll be putting my total box value up in the corner here. That's everything that I had for this video today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.